Shengzhou Ruixing Tea Industry Co. Ltd was founded in 1999. We are professional manufacturer and export combined, with the research, development and production of Chinese green tea, Chunmee Tea, Gunpowder Tea. Our company's tea plant covers 50 acres area in Shengzhou, Zhejiang. Our factory production facility includes automatic tea production, equipment with 10,000 tons annual capacity of green tea, and a professional automatic tea packaging production line. Additionally, our factory has operated 10,000-acre tea plantation, which supply premium quality green tea raw materials. Ruixing Tea has dedicated in developing, manufacturing Chinese green tea, Chunmee Tea, Gunpowder Tea over 20 years in China. Most of our Chunmee Tea, Gunpowder Tea has been exported to Africa, European countries and Uzbekistan, Middle Asia, etc., which has consistently built brand reputation and over $10 million in annual sales. Welcome to visit our factory in Shengzhou, Zhejiang, China.